Hello everyone, welcome to the Agile Project Management Assignment 1. So today I'm going to show you how to complete the Assignment 1. First, we need to open the LMS and go to the Session 3 Mentoring Support Assignment. Okay, click this Assignment 1. We have two tasks, the Assignment 1A and then Assignment 1B. Okay, so I will start with the Assignment 1A. So I predict this map to the theory IU1. Okay, so I will download the PDF and then download the source document. After that, click the second tab, which contains the submission. Okay, so I have already downloaded these two file. I will copy this to the my folder and then open the instruction. After that, we're going to complete the screenshot. Okay, so here this is my folder. Yeah, so APM 0425A, the assignment. I'm going to create a new folder. Assignments. Okay, then copy this into this folder. Assignment 1A, PDF and PPT. So the PDF is the assignment instruction. Here you go. Yeah. So what does the Scrum Master do to support the teamwork and responsibility in a Scrum team? Okay, this is the question 1. And how is this role different from the regular project manager? So this comparing between the Scrum Master role compared to the project manager. After that, question number 2, identify the Scrum roles, events, and artifacts. So this is a 3 definition. After that, explain how they work together to ensure continuous learning and improvement during product or project development. And question 3 is slightly easier. Only need to complete this box number 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, identify the appropriate labels for the missing components number 1, 2, 3, and 4 in the diagram, and then explain. Yeah. So most of this question, if I cannot say all, yeah, so you can find the answer in the slide. So I will open the slide now. Yeah. Okay, still not copying yet, so I'm going to copy now. Okay, so go to download folder. Okay, here you go. APM, yeah, okay. I click cut. Then I will put into the folder just now, the slide, and then a paste. Okay, extract here. Okay, so you will be using the PDF because this only for trainer, but the same, yeah, only the difference is just I'm using, or I can also use the PDF, yeah, so same like yours. Okay, I will be opening my PDF, so exactly the same file as you already have. Okay, so under the Veda, I think I already have downloaded in the APM, and then slide. Okay, haven't. Yeah. Okay, let's download. Yeah, first we go back to here first. in the LMS. Go to the e-learning. Okay, so in the e-learning, oh sorry, not e-learning, flip class. Okay, flip class 01. So yep, this one, download the PDF. And then the 1B or IU2 also download the PDF. Okay, so here we go. We go to this folder, and then yep, so cut, and then go to the just now under the this my folder. Okay, APM slides. Okay, here you go. Yep, so IU1, fundamental of the agile project management. Okay, since we're going to enter our answer, so we don't use a PDF. Instead, we're going to use a PowerPoint file. Okay, so let me open again. And then after that, this time, I'm going to open the assignment. And then this one is the template. Then I will copy, name it a sample. So you need to do this assignment yourself, but to give you reference, like what expected answer you need to submit. Yeah, so I will do it here. PMI, yeah, actually the APM. Yeah, never mind. Just leave the name PMI. Okay, so I'm waiting for the PowerPoint to open. Okay, here you go. Okay, so what is the first question? Yeah, what does the Scrum Master do to support teamwork and responsibility in a Scrum team? So we talk about the Scrum Master. Yeah? And how is this role different from the project manager? Okay, so this is about the Scrum Master. Okay, so let's go into this reference in the slide. Yeah? We talk about the Scrum Master. Okay, so let's Control F. Yeah? Then after that, the Scrum Master. Do we have? Okay, so if we don't have, then we need to look at the second, yeah, second slide. Okay, it could be in the second slide. Yeah, so this is about the Scrum management framework. Control F and then Scrum Master. Okay, yeah. Okay, Master. So we have a few. Yeah, this is the first one. Okay, Scrum Master is responsible for arranging daily meeting, improving team interaction, and maximizing the productivity. The difference the project manager and Scrum Master is that the latter focus on being servant leader, and Agile project manager's role and responsibility often include the position of the Scrum Master. However, they can delegate this to anyone on the team who is a Scrum expert and strong facilitator. Yeah. Okay, so you can more or less let's see if there is any other answer. No. Yeah. Okay. So you copy this, then after that you can reword the answer using this basic. Okay. So we go to the PowerPoint. Then after that, start writing here. Yeah, the answer. Okay. So right click. After that, paste the. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So Scrum Master responsible Okay, if you want, actually, I can suggest a better format. It's like inserting a table. Yeah, after that, okay, here. Yeah. So use the two row and two column. Yeah. Okay, like this. So put here, and then this is the Scrum Master, and then this one is the uh, regular project manager. Okay, yeah. So you put here responsible arranging daily meeting, improving team interactions, and maximizing productivity. Okay, this is the Scrum Master. Okay, yeah. Then how about the project manager? The latter focus on the being servant leader. Okay, so acting as the servant leader. Okay, so maybe I will change the boldness, not the bold. Yeah, okay. Regular project manager. Okay, so agile project manager role and responsibility often include the position of Scrum Master. However, they can delegate this to anyone on the team who's a Scrum expert and strong facilitator. Okay, yeah, so the project manager has a more responsibility. Yeah, so oversee all of the uh, project activity. Project manager. Okay, yeah, so let's look at the okay. Okay, so project manager is basically overseeing all the activity and taking the responsibility on the uh, project executions in overall. Yeah. Since you use AI, then why not ask a copilot? Yeah. So it is always if you already learn AI, then you don't use this to help you, right? Okay. So I'm not anti AI. Yeah, so, but of course, for the education purposes, then you not just copy paste the output of the AI, but you can do some like refreshing or checking confirmations. Yeah, make sure that the answer is valid and correct. Yeah. Okay, let's try. Yeah, if we put this question, yeah, in the Copilot, yeah, what will be the answer? Okay, so I already have the Copilot here. Then this one. Yeah. Okay, so what does the Scrum Master do to support teamwork and responsibility in Scrum team? How is this role different from regular project manager? Okay, this one, yeah. So Scrum Master play a crucial role in fostering teamwork and responsibility within the Scrum team. They act as a servant leader, yeah. So leader who serve, yeah, who facilitating the member, ensuring the team adheres to agile principle and the Scrum framework. Yeah. The key responsibility including this, yeah, facilitating Scrum events, removing obstacles, encouraging self-management. Okay, looks like the answer is quite good. How this different? Yeah, okay. So yeah, you can reword and then you can also edit, yeah, if necessary. But I will take this, yeah, this one. While the both roles involve leadership, their approaches differ significantly. Scrum Masters focus on the this one, yeah. I copy this. This is the Scrum Master. Okay, then the project manager, this one, yeah, oversee the entire project life cycle. Okay, here you go. Okay, not regular, yeah, agile project manager. Okay, then after that, the other question is the yeah, responsibility. Scrum Master responsibility, there are here, including the 5 bullet point. Scrum Master responsibility. Okay, yeah, so put here. Yeah, the difference. Role comparison, yeah, between role comparison between the Scrum Master and Agile Project Manager. Okay, so yep, so you want to yes, okay, yeah, that's question number 1, more or less. You can reword yourself. Yeah. Number 2, identify the key Scrum role, events, and artifacts. Okay, so we have 3 things here. The first is the roles. Okay, maybe it's nice to have the box here. Yeah? Okay, so insert the table. Like this. Okay, so the first is the Scrum roles. Okay, then after that, here we go. And then the, okay, just roll first. Yeah? Then you put the explain. So let's go to the, this in the Scrum roles. Control F, yeah, then role. Okay, yeah, Scrum team roles, yeah, product owner, Scrum master, development team, and Scrum team. Okay, so you can shorten this. Okay, so I put the side by side like this. So we have the product owner and then the Scrum master, then also the development team or the developer. So the context is a software development team and then Scrum team. Okay, then you need to provide with the explanation. What is that? Yeah. So just copy this over. Yeah. Okay. That's the product owner, and this one is the Scrum Master. The other one is the development team. Okay, then the Scrum team. Okay, this one is can delete row. Yep. Okay. After that, we have the description, yeah, or the explanation. Okay. Now we want to events, yeah, and then artifacts, yeah. So events, Scrum event. Okay. Yeah, Scrum artifact and events. Scrum artifacts. Yeah, this one, yeah. The product backlog, sprint backlog, and product increment are the Scrum artifacts. Okay, let's copy this. Yeah. Okay, so maybe if you don't have enough space, then you can duplicate the slide. One more. Okay, so the second one is for the events. Yeah, so the first one is the roles. This is the events. So the events have the like sprint stand up meeting, and then yeah, so here Scrum terminology, and then after that the yes, yep. Okay, now this one, yeah. Okay, so here we have the artifacts and also the events. The event is in the yellow color. Sprint planning, and then a daily Scrum, and then a sprint review and a sprint retrospective. Okay, so you can put the okay. Okay, delete, yeah. Then we also delete this. Okay, so the first one is the sprint planning. Okay, the second, the yellow one, is this one, daily Scrum. Okay, daily Scrum meeting. Okay, after that the sprint review. Then the last is the sprint retrospective. Okay, yeah, this is the for event. You can copy, yeah. So we have this one, yeah, sprint planning, yeah, then daily Scrum, sprint review, and retrospective. Okay, I'll let you get the explanation for this. Yeah. And then the number 3 is the artifacts. Yeah? Artifacts. Okay, so the artifact, we have this one, yeah, the product backlog, and then sprint backlog and increment. Sprint backlog and the increment. So you explain, yeah, this one you put here. Then the next question is explain how they work together to ensure continuous learning and improvement during the product project development. Yeah, how they work together. Okay, yeah, so yeah, so you just fine. And then after that, this is the last question to complete this. Okay, number 1 is a product backlog here. Yeah, so put the answer here and okay, duplicate the slide. Okay, duplicate the slide. Yeah. Okay, so or you want to delete also can. Yeah, so here. Oh, cannot. This one is cannot delete it. Yeah. Okay, so you just put the answer here. You delete this one. What is the number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and yeah, number 4. Yeah. Insert after that the table 4. Yeah. 5. Okay, like this. Okay, so okay, number 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 is a product backlog. Okay, so name, yeah, component name. So 1 is a product backlog. Okay, number 2 is the sprint planning meeting. Number 3 is the sprint backlog. And number 4 is the here finish work. Okay, you can get some explanation of each. This one, yeah. So you have the product backlog. This one. Right. Yeah, this one. Product backlog. Then sprint backlog, and then others. Yeah. Okay. So you can get the answer from this. Okay, this is to answer. Yeah. Component number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, yeah, so identify the appropriate label for the missing component number 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so the product backlog, and then the sprint planning review. Yeah, then number 3 is sprint backlog, then finished product. Okay, okay, yeah. So put some explanation. Can what is a product backlog? What is sprint planning meeting? What is a sprint backlog? What is finished work? Yeah, and then here identify the key scrum role. Yeah, product backlog. Sorry, role. Okay, role is here. The role is a product owner, scrum master, development team, and scrum team. And here the sprint planning. Yeah, explain what is sprint planning. And then daily scrum meeting. What is that? Yeah, the event. Okay, we also have this. Yeah, the team roles, yeah, product owner, and then the scrum master. Okay, this is the first question just now, this one, yeah. Okay, then after that, yeah, after that you can submit, yeah. So just need to fill in some more explanation about this. Okay, sprint planning. Okay, so yeah, sprint planning. Let's find backlog planning. Yeah, so this is the extreme programming. Uh, okay, so maybe here. Yeah, so this one, event, yeah. Event is a sprint planning, daily scrum, sprint review, and sprint retrospective. Yeah, okay, so the answer is down here. Sprint planning, yeah, work to be performed in the sprint is a plan here, yeah, to plan the work to be performed. Okay, so I go back here to plan the work to be performed in the sprint. Okay, how about the daily scrum, yeah? So you copy this 50 minutes, yeah? Okay, yeah, the daily scrum meeting. 50 minutes event for the development team to synchronize activity and create a plan for the next 24 hours. That's daily meeting. Update what have done, then what the plan for the next 24 hours. And then sprint review, yeah, held at the end of the sprint to inspect the increment and adapt the product backlog if needed. Okay, this one, sprint review. After that, sprint retrospective. Okay, sprint retrospective is another look for a keyword, retros. Yeah, I think we don't have. This one, yeah. Scrum retrospective. Okay, no, this is different. Okay, let's go to the IU2. I think we have this. Retro, yeah, okay. The team review their progress so far and discuss how they can improve in the next sprint. That's a retrospective. So the answer could be from the IU1 or the IU2 slide. So I just mix up together. Yeah. Okay, so the role, okay. Then the events also okay. After that, now is the artifacts. Yeah. Product backlog, sprint backlog. Yeah. Okay, sprint backlog. Yeah. Here. This one is sprint backlog. You read again. You may want to adjust the wording. And then a product backlog. Yeah. This one. Okay, and then increment, yeah. So increment. Artifact, the product backlog, sprint backlog, and product increment, yeah. The product increment is the portion of the product that the team has already completed during the current sprint. Okay, here you go. So have a look one more time. Then after that, once everyone's satisfied, then I can submit. Yeah. Okay, so let's have a look. This is question number 1. How this role different from regular project manager? So this is the responsibility. Yeah. What the Scrum Master do to support teamwork? Okay, so you look for the what the Scrum Master do. Yeah. This one is the only responsibility, but there is a Scrum Master activities. Yeah. Role comparisons between Scrum Master and Agile Project Manager. After that, identify the Scrum role event artifact. Okay, this is role and then events artifact. But you have not explained how they work together to ensure continuous learning and improvement during the product or project development. Okay, so okay, let's use the Copilot to help us. Okay, yeah. So just now we already answered partially. We can cross check again. Role, yeah. Product owner, Scrum Master, development team, yeah. So Scrum team is very seldom included, yeah. But in the slide just now it was mentioned. Okay. After that, the events, yeah. Sprint planning, daily Scrum, and then sprint review, sprint retrospective. Okay, so before this, you can include the one where insert new row. Okay, so can we insert new row? Insert the row below. Yep. Okay, so the name is sprint only. Okay, time box iteration typically 2 to 4 weeks. Okay, then after that the Scrum artifacts, product backlog, and then sprint backlog and increment. Yeah, how they work together. Okay, here you go. This is the one that I would like to get. Okay. Okay, so this one is the must be insert the text box. Okay, text box. Okay, how they work together. These elements ensure continuous learning and improvement by encouraging okay, how they work together. After that, the assignment, yeah, identify in the diagram and explain. Okay, so explain product backlog, sprint planning meeting, sprint backlog, and finish work. Okay, so let's Okay, maybe I just put this together. One product backlog. Yeah, like this. Okay, sprint backlog. Okay, after that the finish work. Okay, backlog. Hmm. Okay, so then you put some explanation about the this. Yep. So product backlog, this product backlog. Okay. Okay, this one is sprint backlog. Yeah. Simple sprint backlog. Finish work. Yeah. So finish work is the yeah, like completed potentially shippable product. Yeah. Okay. That's product backlog. We delete. Now only the sprint planning meeting. Sprint planning meeting to select the backlog item and define as sprint goal. A meeting to oops too many. So sprint planning meeting. Okay, so only copy this part. Yeah, a meeting to select backlog items and define the sprint goal. Okay, yeah, finish work is the product. Yeah, the completed and potentially shippable product output from the sprint. Okay, so this is the answer. Then we can submit. Okay, yeah, so this is the file save. Okay, just close. It will save. It's set. Okay, so that's the assignment 1A. So once this is finished, then you can go to the this in the assignment 1A. Okay, then upload your assignment. Okay, so let's back to this folder, assignment, this one, yeah, sample, open. Okay, then submit. Okay, done. Yeah, so we're going to continue with the 1B.